Hey guys, it's Alex again here. Just want to thank you for watching this video, and also this camera is annoying. Alright guys, how you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. I had a small problem which is right here. This screen is too small for navigating through things. This screen is also too small through navigating through things. So I thought maybe I should put something much bigger so it can fill out the whole thing like the Tesla did. So I brought you guys a Samsung Note 12.2. So as the previous video that I did, you already know that I had the magnetic phone holders. Now I put two, and I have attached this metal part in the back of the tablet so you can actually hold it right up there. So I wanted to actually see if it will be any good. So far so good. There we go. There we have it. A giant screen. It looks like a TV. This is giant. I have my stuff set up here, like Vase, OBD11, Spotify, everything I usually do in a car. I have everything set up there. This is how does it look like in the car. Like, it's basically taking the whole screen. Plus on top, plus the vents, plus the knobs. You don't see anything. So if you want to change the song and everything else, you got to use your steering wheel. I'm actually going to do a drive test to see if this will hold up. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see. Obviously this one doesn't have Wi-Fi or anything like, so I have to hotspot through my phone and get the data that way. But I just wanted to do a test so you can see that these magnets will hold on to this. This is a lot easier, so at least you have a reference when the tablet is on, because the background that I have is pretty dark. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, we are in Stevens Creek. I like this place. So this route that I have chosen, a lot of windy roads, so it's a great test. And I try to take it a little bit, drive a little bit faster and harder on turns. And there's a truck to slow me down. Alright, I'm actually going to do a U-V here. That truck will take us forever to test this out. Like, everything in my car is shifting beside the tablet, which is great. Alright, and we are back at the same spot we were. I hope you did enjoy the video. This is awesome. I'm gonna love this modification into my car. And by the way, you can actually do two things at once on this, which is pretty awesome. Like, for example, you can use, let's say you can use your Spotify on one side, and you can use navigation on the other. So shows the maps on one side and this side. This one side itself is bigger than the screen that you have on the car itself, which is pretty awesome. So again, this is a great modification. to do if you have a tablet at home or a phablet at home that you don't use that often. And just get these two magnetics phone holders for $10 for both. Probably I just got them in a different time. It was roughly about the same. And you can put them right here, and you can attach anything you want to it. Obviously, if you have a passenger with the phone with the magnet, you can just put them there, and then you can put yours here. That's it, guys. That's for today. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you like the content of it. If you have any questions, if you have any ideas, again, share it with me. I would like to do it so you guys can see. I'll bring you guys more video of different things that I have done. So peace out.